Hi. As we approach the 4th of July season, I'm going to be testing various fireworks to see how well they perform. This is a small fountain. It's called a Kool cat, and I just picked this up for basically a couple dollars. So let's test it out and see if the price and size of the firework matter, whether it's not that great or whether it's a great firework for a low price. I would say that was definitely a great firework for a low price of only $2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.